Defense tries to introduce surprise evidence in the Bernard Jackson trial.
But will the jury get to hear about the mysterious hair? Russ Potosik has been covering this trial all week and has this update. Russ.
Good morning. This morning, it was like one of those moments from a primetime crime show when the defense brought up the possibility that the Kansas City crime lab had Bernard Jackson's DNA in its possession long before these 1980s rapes of the Waldo area. The defense introduced the possibility that they had a hair. There was a hair in 1977 collected from a Bernard Jackson, but the file information from that hair has been lost. So now all it has is a name attached to it. No date of birth, no social security number. So it's unknown whether it belongs to Bernard Jackson, raising questions of contamination into the current samples. The defense is raising all sorts of issues about quality controls at the crime lab.
Particular case, the nurse testified, I actually don't know if I'm the one who took possession of this and gave it to the police officer. Okay. And we don't have the envelopes that would establish that.
In that case, the defense questioning the chain of evidence as the DNA from the rape cases went from one to another, and that is what the defense is going to be getting into today. The judge has allowed the defense to raise questions about chain of evidence and raise questions about the way that people were allowed into the crime lab. But the judge said the possibility of the DNA contamination from that 1977 sample contaminating this evidence was not something that he was going to allow the jury to hear. Live at the Jackson County Courthouse, Russ Potosik, NBC Action News.
Online, read the developments as they have unfolded all week in this trial. Follow Russ's tweets and read our live blog inside the courtroom. It's all on NBCActionNews.com/trial.